So in this example problem, we're given a shaft that has a distributed load. So what we're interested in finding is for this shaft, supported by two bearings here. All right. We're interested in finding what is the concentrated force due to this distributed load, and at what point is this concentrated load being applied. Okay, so in order to find this, we can use the following two equations. So we know that. So first, we're going to start off with finding our concentrated force. All right, so our concentrated force is just equal to, from 0 to L, W of x dx. All right, so we can plug in our values for 0 for our length and W of x. So, all right, our length in this case is 2 meters. All right, W of x in this case is equal to 60 x squared. All right, and then we have dx is our other term. So if you take this all together, what we end up getting is we get 60 divided by 3 times x cubed from 2 meters to 0 meters. So if we evaluate that integral, what we end up getting is we get 60 divided by 3 times 2 meters cubed minus 0 meters cubed. The units of this will have to be in newtons per meter cubed here. And what we end up getting is we get 8 times 60, which is 480, divided by 3, which would give us 160 newtons. All right, so that's our first step. Find what F sub c was, and then we would find x sub c next. So x sub c we know is equal to from 0 to L x Wx dx divided by our concentrated force or our resultant force. So if we do that, we end up getting 0 to 2 meters. You will get x times 60x squared dx divided by 160 newtons. So if we bring that all out, we get 60 divided by 160. And then we'd integrate from 0 to 2 meters x cubed dx. So this would give us 60 over 4 times 160 times x to the fourth from 2 meters to 0 meters. So if we keep going on this integral, we end up getting we get 2 to the fourth is 16 meters to the fourth, and then this would have to be equal to newtons divided by meters. I'm sorry, this would have to be meters to the third here. All right, minus 0 meters to the fourth. All right, and this would be 60 times 4 divided by 160. So this would be equal to 16 times 60 divided by 4 divided by 160 would be the same thing as 60 over 40, which is the same thing as 1.5 meters. All right, and that would be our x sub c. So to recap, for these types of problems, you have to just evaluate these two integrals, really, these two equations here. Once you evaluate those two equations, you're good. That's all you have to do.